Yo, no fucking cap. It's extremely hot. I've had the AC. Hold on, I'm black as hell, so let me cut on this light. I've had the AC cooking in here all day, and it's still 79 degrees, boy. It was like 83, and I was supposed to be waiting on something to get delivered so I can get one of these bikes on the road. I think it's here. It might be here. This might be a good moment, man. I ordered some genuine parts, some Yamaha genuine parts. Now, I'm hoping. So I got what I need. Let's see if we can fix this little problem we have. Man, pause for the call, so it's too damn hot to even work, but I got this text message that my homeboy showing me they got the R6 up and running. They needed a back tire. I went ahead and let them have one of the back tires that I had over there. This is the R6 that we built a couple of years ago, I think 2 years ago. My homeboy and his wife, they took ownership of it, and it's really great to see them enjoying it now. She got a back tire on there, and she's getting comfortable and just mobbing around. This is what cycling's all about. Like, when I give up a bike, this is what I want to see. You enjoying it, working with it, making it run, and then having some fun on it. So we're going to get back into the vlog, but this is just a great pause for me to check out. Man, oh God, bro, it's hotter than a bitch. Like, why is it this hot? It's probably a smooth 90 to 100, and it's not that hot for everybody else, but like, we live in California on the Bay Area, so we have that natural AC. It never really gets hotter than about 67 degrees, and it feels like really cool and crispy. So this to us is wild hot, but it's another day and I gotta do something because it's too hot to be in the house. And even though the AC is kicking inside there, the heat already knocked me out. I already fell asleep. I took one of them old folks naps. You know, one of them naps when you just sitting there and you wake up like, God damn, people's cortisone, and you got the, wait, or maybe I'm just that old. I don't know, I might just be that old. But anyway, man, today we've got to solve a problem. This bike right here is typically one of my favorite bikes to ride, but she keeps on having an issue with the front sprocket. Now, why might you ask? Front sprocket keeps popping off. Now, how does it do that? Because this, ladies and gentlemen, this somehow seems to keep falling off. Now, I've had the butterfly washer behind it. Now, that's the washer that you screw this on top of and then fold it to clamp over this, which shouldn't allow it to turn because it goes with the groove of the shaft. But somehow, miraculously, it keeps popping off. This is the second time. But I don't know what is going on, how this keeps popping off. So today, I've got another genuine factory Yamaha part. Super brand new. No grit, no grime on it. And it's time to make this thing stick onto this counter shaft and never pop off again. It's causing undesired deceleration. We're supposed to never stop. We're about to get that on there. Let's just jump into this. I want to get this done. I did ride this a little bit with my boy. I let him get on that. I rode this. up and over. In like a second. I want to put some more miles on this because we put some seafoam in the tank. I've never messed with seafoam. One of my OGs was over here and he was like, oh man, let's put some seafoam in the tank, see what happens. So I'm just trying to pass all of the fuel that has seafoam in the tank to get it on E so that we can put some new gas in there. So maybe, just maybe, when we get done with this, and if it ain't too fucking hot, we're gonna go ahead and put some more miles on this R1 so that we can get that thing done and I can continue to order parts with it, because until I get it perfect how I want it to be running, I'm not gonna order all the cool shit that I want to get done for this bike. This bike's future relies on how good it acts from henceforth, but it's acting pretty good for right. I mean, honestly, I'll show you. Now, oh man, if this thing acts up right now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be mad. Nope. See? Perfect. I want to do a few things to that, but like I said, we'll see what happens after we get done with this. So let me get on this really quickly. Let's see if we can get this remedied, because my boys want to ride. And see, this is the cool part of having multiple bikes, right? Some of my boys that used to ride, that were really good, that I fully trust with my equipment, they want to ride. And you know, I want to get to the point where it's like, come on in, choose whichever one you want to ride, let's go. That to me is like top priority. So when people come through and chill, if they got their gear, you gotta have gear. No shorts, no fucking flip-flops. You gotta have your gloves. So enough with the yapping, let's get to work.
Sprocket.
Yeah, man, what my daughter said, as the sun's rising in my face, that lets you know I didn't close out the vlog. It was way too damn hot, and I just went inside and chilled with the family with the AC on. I went ahead and put that counter sprocket on. The modern counter sprockets, the nuts that go on them, the counter sprockets have a divot in them. When you put the nut on there, they have a little bit of material. It's like a little ring that when you put the nut on, you can go ahead and hammer in a divot into that place and it holds the nut there. I've never had an issue with this coming off. I guess that's why they remanufactured how their input shafts, their counter shafts go. And I mean, what I ended up doing is I just took a very, very thin drill bit and drilled between the sprocket's nut and the shaft, and that way you just input in a piece of copper in there, which is kind of soft, malleable still, but you could input that in there and that kind of locks it in like the same way that the divot where you hammer in the piece. So this vlog is over from that experience that we just gained. I'm gonna chuck y'all too, man. We out.